Hello and welcome to Skill Today. In this video, we'll be discussing social media advertising and how you can use it to promote your business or brand. Social media advertising is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you reach a wider audience, build your brand, and ultimately grow your business. Whether you're just getting started or you're already using social media to promote your business, there's always room for improvement. In this video, we'll be covering the following topics. The benefits of social media advertising. How to create effective social media ads. How to target the right audience for your ads. Best practices for social media advertising. Measuring the success of your social media ads. Advanced social media advertising strategies. Let's get started. Part 1. The benefits of social media advertising. Social media advertising offers a number of benefits over traditional advertising methods. For one, social media platforms offer incredibly detailed targeting options, allowing you to reach exactly the right audience for your ads. Additionally, social media ads are typically more affordable than traditional ads, making it easier for small businesses to compete with larger brands. Finally, social media ads offer a level of interactivity that traditional ads simply can't match, allowing you to engage with your audience in new and exciting ways. Part 2. How to create effective social media ads. To create effective social media ads, you'll need to start by defining your goals and objectives. What do you want to achieve with your ads? Do you want to drive traffic to your website, generate leads, or increase sales? Once you've defined your goals, you can start creating ads that are designed to achieve those goals. We'll walk you through the process of creating effective social media ads step by step, covering everything from choosing the right images and copy to crafting the perfect call to action. Part 3. How to target the right audience for your ads. The key to effective social media advertising is targeting the right audience. In this section, we'll show you how to use the targeting options available on social media platforms to ensure that your ads are seen by the people who are most likely to be interested in your product or service. We'll cover everything from basic demographic targeting to advanced targeting options like lookalike audiences and retargeting. Part 4. Best practices for social media advertising. In this section, we'll share some of the best practices for creating effective social media ads. We'll cover everything from choosing the right ad format to setting a budget and tracking your results. We'll also share some tips for optimizing your ads for maximum impact and engagement. Part 5. Measuring the success of your social media ads. Measuring the success of your social media ads is critical if you want to improve your results over time. In this section, we'll show you how to track your ad performance using the built-in analytics tools available on social media platforms. We'll walk you through the metrics you should be tracking and show you how to use that data to make informed decisions about your ad strategy. Part 6. Advanced social media advertising strategies. Finally, we'll cover some advanced social media advertising strategies that you can use to take your ads to the next level. We'll cover everything from retargeting to split testing and lookalike audiences. By the end of this section, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use social media advertising to achieve your business goals. So there you have it. A comprehensive guide to social media advertising. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to creating effective social media ads that drive results. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and share it with anyone who you think might benefit from it. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.